wee hanky tie in there. See, it goes right up to here, Liam, as if it wants to get out, but I need to lift that hang out to get it out. Right where your hair gel and that is. I don't know how I'm going to get that off. It's all siliconed on. I'll need to wait till Dad comes and we can get a hammer up at it. Phone the council. Then it goes quiet for ages and you think that it's... Right, Wally managed to figure out where the wee bird is, guys. Look, it's under here. Right, go get it. Where is it?
It's under there.
Oh, wait till I see. I can't see. It's too dark. I need to put the lights on. I don't want to scare it. Oh, there it's there, guys, right at the back. Oh, at least it's right. It's going to be scared.
Right.
Right, I'll go open the front door for you, right? Ollie's going to grab it and put it out the front door, guys, so... I actually thought it would have been bigger than that. It was wailing about a bit much. Well, he'll catch it and put it out. He'll help it. See, it's a lovely... It's not too good a day the day as a star of the day, guys. It's for the 19th to the 24th. You can feel spring in the air, though. Sparkle's locked in there. So she doesn't know. Oh, you just leave the wee bird. Ah, you'd love to play with it, wouldn't you? Do you need me to help you? Do you need a wee tub or something? Do you need a wee tub?
It's away fucking in the back.
Right, just come away and let it come out itself, Wally. I'll leave the front door open for it. Right, guys, we'll leave it. Right, I'm going to leave the camera here. Right, just leave it. I'll go leave the camera. Right, we're going to have to leave it to come out, guys, because it's not going to come out until Wally goes. So, let's record it. And see, oh, sweet sparkle, and see if we can capture it go out, right? I'll need to flip this camera into a second. Okay. Right, so it's recording to see if we can catch it coming out. Right, well, you just come out of there. Come on, it's never going to come while you're there. Right, we'll catch it coming out anyway, I'm recording. Right, just leave it. No, you're going to have to leave that open so it comes out.
So that I can get it coming out and letting it go away.
Aye, but it'll probably come out itself and flee out the door if you let it do that.
But it won't.
But it might.
Just go and shut the door.
No, I think you should leave it open.
Once we hear it.
No, I want to get the choice to come out itself. It go. I'm leaving the front. Go in the room. I want to leave the front door open for it. We'll hear.
that's away the window.
Is it alright? Yes.
Oh.
The hero of the day. There, that's that away, guys. Away at the window. It flapped about it for a couple of minutes, then it went off. At least it got rescued. That's the main thing. Bye.